How to fix Forza Horizon 6 low video memory message, FH6 low video memory error fix on PC. 1. Restart your PC. Close Forza Horizon 6 completely. Restart your computer normally. Launch the game again afterward. 2. Lower in-game graphics settings. Reduce texture and shadow quality. Disable ray tracing and ultra graphics settings. Lower resolution scale for better VRAM usage. 3. Close background applications, close browsers and unnecessary software. Disable Discord overlay and Xbox Game Bar. Stop OBS and recording applications. #4. Update graphics drivers. Install latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU drivers. Use clean installation option if available. Restart your PC after updating. 5. Increase virtual memory. Open advanced system settings. Increase Windows paging file size manually. Restart your PC afterward. 6. Delete shader cache files. Press Windows R. Open DirectX shader cache location. Delete corrupted shader cache files. 7. Verify game files. Open Steam or Xbox app. Go to Forza Horizon 6 Properties Manage. Click Verify and Repair game files. 8. Disable GPU overclocking. Reset GPU clock speeds to default. Disable MSI Afterburner overclock profiles. Relaunch the game afterward. 9. Use dedicated graphics card. Open Windows graphics settings. Set Forza Horizon 6 to high performance GPU. Save changes and restart the game. #10. Upgrade GPU settings or hardware. Install the game on SSD for smoother performance. Add more RAM if system memory is low. Upgrade graphics card if VRAM is insufficient.